Mr. Barrick Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2017 Kia Sorento Platinum. Now, starting at the front, I am going to walk you through the full condition and some of the actual features of the vehicle as well. As you can see, the front end of the Kia Sorento does have that big iconic Kia look with the floating grille and that Kia badging right in the middle there. Now, front parking sensors along this vehicle are going to make it very easy to park. You've even got headlight washers just under here. In case your headlights do get a bit fogged up or dirty, your headlight washers will keep them clean and increase your visibility as well. Down the bottom here, you've got your cornering lights plus your fog lights, so it is great for every kind of condition. Now, if we make our way along this side of the vehicle, the front does present in really good condition. Along the driver's side as well, once again, condition is awesome. That first alloy wheel there, it is actually in great condition. I can't actually fault that, even if I am being picky, and brand new tires at the time of this video as well. Now, side mirrors are color matched and they've got the black underside of it as well, which is a beautiful look, and you've got that sleek indicator just built into the side mirror there as well, plus your little blind spot monitoring function as well. Now, door handles do have the keyless entry, so if you press the button on the side here, it does lock and unlock the vehicle. You've even got the side steps down the bottom to help you get in and out. If we come along this side and have a look on the inside, as you can see, you do get your beautiful leather seats. They do have the electric seat functions on the side here, and they've even got a knee rest adjuster just up above the seat adjuster. Now, leather is in great condition, scuff plates and door trims are in great condition, and where people tend to get a bit lazy and kick the doors open, those door trims are also in really good condition down here. Close that back up. Now, the back windows do have privacy glass on them. However, what I would always recommend is do match them with the front with our premium window tint as well. So it is a great way to keep your car UV protected and nice and cool, especially when it comes to the Australian summers. Now, if we make our way to that next alloy wheel, once again, that one is in great condition, so very, very well looked after there. And as I said, 4 brand new tires on this vehicle as well. Along the back, as you can see, once again, the condition does continue right through to the back of the vehicle. Great condition on the back here. You've got that high mounted stoplight and the rear wiper. You've also got the tow bar fitted, so if you did want to actually tow anything with this vehicle, it is great to know that you've got the option. Now, being the Platinum, it is an electric tailgate, so just pressing that button once will open it up by itself. And if we have a look in the back as well, back seats do fold completely flat, and it is very, very easy to use. You've just got to pull this handle once and push the seat forward. Now, on the sides of the seats as well, there is a little handle here which will let you fold the middle row completely flat, so great for making more space. And you've also got rear air conditioning controls, so the third row also gets the control of the aircon. Now, if you wanted to close the boot up again, just press that button there and it will just close itself while you walk away. You have got a reverse camera and rear parking sensors on this vehicle as well. Along the passenger side now, this side also presents in remarkable condition. It is a very, very well looked after vehicle. That next wheel, once again, is very, very clean, so no marks on that at all. And fuel filler cap is on the passenger side. If we make our way along this side, there's really nothing I can actually point out in terms of defects on this vehicle. It has been very well looked after. It is a very clean vehicle. And that fourth and final rim, once again, in beautiful condition. So guys, considering it has got 4 unmarked rims, it does say that the previous owner definitely knew how to park this car properly. You've also got the beautiful paintwork, which I would highly recommend taking advantage of the glass coat as well. We'll talk to you about that in more detail, but it is going to give you an additional warranty on your paintwork. Now, guys, what we're going to do is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Let's take a look under the bonnet now. What we have is a 4-cylinder 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine, and this vehicle does also have a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Now, ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars with 6 airbags, which is awesome to know, especially in a family car. Power output from the engine is 147 kilowatts with a torque rating of 441 newton meters. The diesel fuel tank does hold 71 litres, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 7.8 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 910 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Kia Sorento now, on the driver's side door, you get all your power window controls. They are all automatic. Above that, you've got your central locking buttons plus your power mirror controls. Now, there is an option there for the power mirrors. If you leave it in auto, they will actually fold in when you lock the car. You've got 2 seat presets on the right hand side here, which will also adjust your mirror positioning depending on who's driving the car. On the right hand side of the steering wheel here, you've got your boot release plus your fuel cap, and you've also got a few buttons here for your stability control, blind spot monitors, lane keeping, and your illumination control for the clusters. Indicators, high beams, and your automatic headlight controls are on the right hand side here, and your washer and wiper controls are on the left. Now on the steering wheel itself, you do get a menu control for the digital display in the cluster there. You've also got your cruise control on the right hand side, plus your distance control for the adaptive cruise control. You've got media functions on the left hand side as well. Now if we have a look in the center display, as you can see, you do get navigation in this vehicle. If I pop it in reverse quickly, your mirrors do fold down, and you've also got a very nice rear view camera there. In terms of media, you've got AM and FM radio, plus your Bluetooth and hands-free connectivity. Down here you've got your dual zone climate control, and under here you've got a few extra buttons as well. So you've got your heated and ventilated front seats. You've also got your heated steering wheel if you wanted to keep your hands warm in winter. And just in here you've got some storage, plus USB AUX storage, USB and AUX input, plus two 12-volt sockets. You've got two cup holders just in here, and if you did want to just use that as storage, you can actually take out the center insert and store that away. They do cover up nice and neatly as well. You've got parking sensors, your drive mode, which lets you switch between sport, eco, and normal. You've also got an electric park brake, auto hold, and your center diff lock. The center console here does open up, and you've got a tray in here if you wanted to keep anything on top, plus plenty of storage just underneath there. Behind here you've got two air conditioning vents, and if we quickly pan around the interior, you will notice the leather's in great condition. And if we have a look at the door, you do also get the rear heated seating as well, so the back seat passengers do get your heated seat controls. There is a blind that pulls up on the window, and you also get that massive panoramic roof. So it is awesome, especially on a beautiful day like today. You can just open up your roof and let in as much light as you want. Now to close that up, it is just as simple as pressing the button once. Guys, as you can see, interior of this vehicle presents just as well as the outside does. So what we're going to do now is actually jump outside and wrap up the video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Kia Sorento. As you can see, it is in beautiful condition, very well looked after, and feature packed as well. So it is a fantastic option for your family. Now, a couple of things I would highly recommend is please talk to us about the glass coat, which is going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork, and the premium mechanical protection plan, which will give you an additional 5 years of cover up to 200,000 kilometers on the clock, plus $3,600 per claim, and unlimited claims over the term of the protection as well. Now, the other thing I will highly recommend, if you were planning on financing this vehicle, please give us a call and discuss your finance options with our business managers, Mario or Julie. They would love to talk to you about your options and tailor a package to suit your needs and work in all your protective options for you as well. Now, just before I go, you need to also look at our Google reviews, because we are sitting on 4.8 stars and over 1,000 reviews from customers all over the country. It is plenty of proof that you are dealing with a reputable dealership and buying a good quality vehicle. So if you have any questions, or if you wanted to come test drive the vehicle, please give us a call on 990-70-555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.